Hello my friends. Today we confront a hidden truth. Many everyday items in our homes harbor hidden toxins that impact our well-being. These seemingly harmless objects, the air fresheners, the non-stick pans, can be silently harming us. Let us begin together to create a home that truly nourishes our bodies and souls. For many of us, a pleasant scent is synonymous with cleanliness and freshness. But did you know that many air fresheners and scented candles release harmful chemicals into the air we breathe? Formaldehyde, a known carcinogen, lurks within these fragrances. Phthalates, endocrine disruptors linked to hormonal imbalances, and benzene, another cancer-causing agent, are also commonly found in these products. Imagine, each spray, each flickering candle, is not just scenting your home, but also introducing these invisible toxins into your sanctuary. Embrace the simple elegance of essential oil diffusers with pure, therapeutic-grade oils. Their natural aromas not only freshen the air, but can also uplift your mood and promote a sense of calm. Open your windows, let fresh air circulate, and allow the natural sense of nature to fill your home. A vase of fresh flowers, a bowl of dried citrus peels, or a sprig of rosemary can create a welcoming and naturally fragrant atmosphere. Choose natural fragrances and breathe deeply, knowing that you are filling your home with true freshness and care. In our quest for a tidy and organized kitchen, we often turn to plastic containers to store our food. But these seemingly convenient containers harbor a hidden danger: microplastics. These tiny particles leach into our food and water, especially when heated, becoming unwelcome guests at our dinner table. Studies show that these particles can disrupt our hormones, affect our gut health, and even carry harmful chemicals into our bodies. But there are alternatives. Embrace the joy of glass containers. They're not only safer but also preserve the taste of your food better. Stainless steel containers are another excellent option, especially for on-the-go snacks and meals. Invest in a reusable water bottle made from glass or stainless steel, and enjoy the pure taste of water without the worry of microplastic contamination. Making these simple swaps can have a profound impact on your health and well-being. A truly tidy kitchen is not just about organization, but also about creating a space where you feel confident and safe to nourish yourself and your loved ones. Non-stick cookware. It promises effortless cooking and easy cleanup, but at what cost? Beneath its slippery surface lies a hidden danger, a chemical coating known as Teflon. When overheated, non-stick pans release toxic fumes into the air. These fumes can cause flu-like symptoms in humans, and tragically, have been known to be fatal to birds. Over time, the Teflon coating degrades, releasing microscopic particles into your food. These particles contain PFOA, a chemical linked to various health problems including cancer. Let's choose cookware that sparks joy not just for its convenience but also for its safety. Cast iron and stainless steel cookware, though requiring a touch more care, offer a lifetime of healthy cooking. Embrace the gentle art of seasoning your cast iron pans, creating a naturally non-stick surface. Choose cookware that aligns with your values of health and well-being, and savor each meal knowing you're nourishing your body with love and care. We strive for a clean and sparkling home, a sanctuary of order and freshness. But often, the very products we use to achieve this cleanliness are harboring a cocktail of harmful chemicals. Conventional cleaning sprays, with their promises of disinfecting power and gleaming surfaces, often contain VOCs, or volatile organic compounds. These VOCs are released into the air as you clean, polluting your indoor environment and turning your sanctuary into a breeding ground for unseen toxins. These chemicals can irritate your lungs, trigger allergies and asthma, and contribute to long-term respiratory issues. Embrace the cleansing power of white vinegar, baking soda, and lemon juice. Simple, natural ingredients that can tackle even the toughest dirt and grime. Create your own cleaning solutions, infusing them with the joyful scents of essential oils like lavender, tea tree, or peppermint. Not only will your home be spotlessly clean, but it will also be filled with the refreshing aromas of nature. Choose natural cleaning products and experience the joy of a truly clean home, free from harmful chemicals. Our wardrobes are an extension of ourselves, a way to express our unique style and personality. But the fast fashion industry, with its tempting trends and low prices, often hides a dark secret: the use of harmful chemicals in the production of clothing. Formaldehyde, yes, the same chemical found in some air fresheners, is often used in clothing to prevent wrinkles and mildew. Imagine this chemical, known to cause skin irritation and potentially even cancer, is often present in the very fabrics that touch our skin. Azo dyes, used to achieve vibrant colors in clothing, can release carcinogenic compounds, posing risks to both our health and the environment. The pursuit of affordable fashion often comes at a high cost to the health of garment workers and the well-being of our planet. Embrace the joy of mindful shopping. Choose clothing made from natural breathable fabrics like organic cotton, linen, and hemp. Support sustainable brands that prioritize ethical manufacturing practices and the well-being of their workers. Choose clothing that sparks joy, not just for its appearance, but also for its ethical and sustainable story. As we conclude our journey through the hidden toxins in our homes, remember that small changes can make a big difference. Each swap, each conscious choice, brings you closer to creating a home that truly nourishes your body and soul. Fill your home with natural scents, choose food storage that protects your health, and embrace clothing that reflects your values. Thank you for joining me on this journey.